describe my love. For my friend, you know. Ain't no friend of love. This type of love. We want to love. We want to express it in a good way. So I'm gonna break it down for you. Check it. You see, at first it started as a simple crush. She never knew that deep down I was in love. Her image runs through my mind every single day. I get the butterflies every time I tell her, hey. Talk to her like I know her my entire life. Not like these other guys, I just wanna treat her right. Who thought I would fall in love with my best friend? I look her in the light, seeing my reflection.
I guess I just really wanna tell her every day I'm in love with my best friend. Me and this girl will never go our separate ways. I'm in love with my best friend. 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 I want you, I need you. I just wanna please you. Be my best friend, so I will not deceive you. Since we've been together, I've never wanted to leave you. Love is a glass window I cannot see through. Damn, guess I really wanna be your boyfriend, but I ain't understanding what you believe in. I'm speeding through the fast lane, and the way I feel about you ain't gon' never change.
Look, you the one that I love. Don't worry about anyone else, cause I'm giving them up
For you,
You treat me better than everybody I know. Plus I never heard a rumor about you doing me wrong.
I guess I just really wanna tell her every day I'm in love with my best friend. Me and this girl will never go our separate ways.